Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter T30 panel van Highline. It is a 2023 registered vehicle and it comes with the long wheel base. It's a 2-litre diesel with the manual transmission and is finished in the Ravener blue paintwork. Taking a look on the front, you'll find your automatic headlights providing a brilliant visibility. You've also got great styling with the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels. And moving around to the rear, you'll find parking sensors helping to manoeuvre the vehicle via audible indications. Inside the load space, you've got the barn-style doors revealing the full ply lining. You've got the sliding side door as well for easy access, and lashing rings on the floor for load restraint. On the driver's door card, you'll find the 2 front electric windows and the electrically adjustable heating and folding door mirrors. Into the actual cockpit, you've got the nice styling inside here with that gloss black. You've also got lovely manually adjustable front seating in the cloth upholstery. On the steering wheel, you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter, as well as the volume for your media system. And on the right, you've got controls for the digital cockpit, as well as the next and back for the system. Taking a look at the digital screen, you can flick through options such as your audio, telephone, vehicle status, driving data and assist systems. Onto the main media system. Under radio, you'll find DAB offering stations from across the country. You've also got AM and FM radio, an SD card reader, USB and Bluetooth audio, so you have plenty of options available. Under phone, you can connect via that Bluetooth for hands-free calling on the go, making and taking calls safely and legally. You've also got App Connect as well, allowing for USB smartphone integration. Here you can use your apps such as navigation or personal media streaming. The parking sensors also provide a diagram on screen so you can see exactly where obstructions are when you are manoeuvring. Underneath the screen, you'll find the climate controls allowing for easy adjustment. Further back, you'll find the 5-speed manual gear stick, as well as some controls such as the parking sensors. Underneath that, you'll find a cup holder with 2 USB charging and connections and a 12-volt. For more information, visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.